Good, y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Mars the Cellarfish, and we're back with another vlog. I think my mom's family is gonna come over. Y'all stay tuned. Catch y'all in a little bit. Yup. Flash. Peace. Welcome back. Huh? He's at school. Alright. Yo, yo, yo. Well, the guests just arrived. Oh, yup. Oh, yup. Welcome back.
Hi YouTube.
Hi.
Yes. Fish of color mutton bit. Yo.
Sabi alam ko tulis. Kaya sabi ko. Hi! Hi, James! Hi! Sorry, I'm not with perfect. Ito lang, Stephen.
Camera recording. I vlog. You wanna say hi? Not like that. Jermaine. Janice. Say hi. Monday.
Sit. Why not have to Kabarana namin ito siya.
Unknown business in general, and watching. Unknown, and the rock, really.
Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go.
Open all beach. And future and rice. Ini dia kalau guna tak apa ya. Ini cuma itu baru tersebut.
Pag ako na sa ikis. Masuki ko sa yan. Someone then. Tapos sa second. Priority. Masyado yung gusto na report ko yung para kumutur ready. Kukulis sa mga tiraran ko yung asya sa intensive story for 10 minutes about yeah. I've por evam somos ya por de todo dirías se todo botas lo se mucho de capo por eso uli os rarapal welcome kit are mobility ese no esa crisis por ahí dia bisa welcome kit sa crisis por porque se olha las cosas más ahora ese discurso de
Это все вот так.
You went to Spanish
No, it's okay.
Ako, what's that? Daddy Brian.
Yeah.
Look at the video. See, that's the other bag. That one. I got the. Those are French. Yeah. Is that French?
You know what? I went to
Oh, yeah, my Okay, I would go give it to my mom. And I'm gonna go.
Be careful.
Okay.
That's a little mean. Yes, sir.
Hey, yo!
Yung tatay ka
Lord.
na.
You're the next vlogger.
Come here. Come here, sit on here and let me take a picture of you. Yeah? I'm gonna interview you, okay? Okay. Marlos. Come, I need to interview this lady right here.
What's it? Oh, it is recording. It's been recording this whole entire time. Yes, get your juice. You're so professional.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Tina,
Nina? Hi, take it away.
Okay. Where did you come from?
from my house.
Where? The or Kansas?
The
Do you have a boyfriend?
now,
Are you sure? You have a husband? Are you going to school? How old are you? 4. What's your social security number?
I don't know.
You have a phone number? Do you have a secret admirer?
Yes.
Who?
Huh?
What's his name?
Myra.
Myra? Or Myro? So, this BJ.
Huh?
Where's BJ?
She's at work.
So you said he works at the airport?
With your mom? With your mom?
No.
Doesn't work with your mom?
BJ works with your mom?
Yeah.
So,
My mom didn't have a job.
oh, you don't have to say to You don't have to say that on national television, ma'am.
No.
Don't say you're. Okay. So this BJ is he a doctor?
No.
What is he?
She's a pirate.
Wow. I want this pilot. Can you call him to come over? Because he can just fly his airplane to here. Wow. Can you tell him I said hi?
Huh?
Tell this pilot I said hi. Why not? Say this girl in Seattle wants to say hi to you, BJ.
I cannot.
Why not?
Say like and subscribe.
Yeah, what do you want to say to
The fans, they're fans of you.
people of the?
I'm done.
What do you want to say to your people?
Say get down on your knees for me.
No.
Who's your daddy?
She's in the living room.
What's his name?
Lord.
Lord? Lord? What's your mom's name?
Vicky.
Vicky? Victoria?
Yeah.
Victoria? Is that her full name? Victoria's Secret? Are you sure? I like your necklace. Did you make it?
No.
No.
It's Chinese.
Oh, really? Are you recording? Oh,
This whole thing.
this whole time?
Yes. Okay, say like and subscribe.
Nice five.
Like and subscribe.
Hey TikToker, what's your name? Rena. I say like and subscribe.
Say hi, blog.
Hey, Reyes.
Yeah, say hi to the blog. Daddy, say hi to the blog. Wena, say hi to the blog.
Even voor de therapie.
Midnight snack.
Midnight snacks. Oké. Nee, daar lorry daar op een uur toe. What do you think about Washington?
It's really nice.
It's really nice.
Yes. I think we missed the traffic, or maybe we were ahead of traffic. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Yes, first thing in the morning we'll have breakfast and then we'll start off the day.
All
right.
Bye. Was it Charmaine or? Thank you. Bye.
Charmaine, you wanna come help Auntie Lily? Yeah. Okay. Ook niet feiertje af of pan nog? Huh? Bye, good night.
Bye.
Bye.
You say bye to me? Yeah, you say bye to me?
Oh, you're not leaving? Okay. Are you?
Yeah, after that. If you have a cook up the cushion, clean up Chirak RP to Moga Suseri Lilia Shakarisi. Mavitar Pive for Kurkaro. Had in Nisingagiri near Lily. Really sure Mitko Papa Saumar. Ike, but never Ike, but never Ike. Main lore breakfast, iyan mi cek nom. Okei, disuruh pilih rapat. Kuku awan natara pibe feb me figi. Ne pure sapa disuruh cabut. Mate, what's the plan tomorrow? Nene short. Okay. Apa sab kabu mumar cipu no asese. Apa tiru poko pura pernah lu to? Okay. Mira, siapa cures short. Okay, we'll see you guys on the next clip tomorrow morning. Tune in for tomorrow morning breakfast. Okay, mira, bye bye.